This is the white bulb. The piece of metal don't block completely the pipe. If the refrigerant is coming here, the refrigerant continue here and pass over there. However, the refrigerant at high pressure and high temperature never enter here because it's blocked and goes over there. If this metal is in the other position, once again, the refrigerant, the return of the refrigerant evaporated is here and continue over there and enter in the compressor in the low pressure side. Enter in the low pressure side of the compressor, in the suction. And the discharge of the compressor always enter in the middle, and in this particular case goes over there. You know? It's because the piece of metal have a closed, but internally allow that the refrigerant pass. This is the input, high pressure and high temperature refrigerant, and always the return is here in the middle. Okay, the return goes here or here depending on the position of the metal. Good, guys?